Solflare Wallet is a popular Solana-based wallet that allows users to store, send, and receive Solana tokens and interact with decentralized apps on the Solana blockchain. Here's how to use Solflare Wallet. Install Solflare Wallet. Visit the official Solflare website or download the app from the App Store or Google Play for mobile devices. You can also use the browser extension for desktop. Set up your wallet. Open the app or extension and select Create New Wallet if you're starting from scratch. Follow the prompts to generate a seed phrase. Write this phrase down and store it securely offline. If you already have a wallet, select Restore Wallet and input your seed phrase. Add funds to your wallet. To receive SOL or other Solana-based tokens, click Receive to view your wallet address. Share this address with others or use it to deposit from exchanges like Binance or Coinbase. Send tokens. To send tokens, click Send and enter the recipient's wallet address, the amount to transfer, and select the token type. Confirm the transaction details and sign in with your wallet password. Interact with dApps. Solflare allows you to access Solana dApps directly. Connect your wallet to supported dApps such as DeFi platforms or NFT marketplaces to interact and transact.